My name's Majchrzak. I'm the Managing Director here at Tufcot Composite Materials. My earliest memory of Tufcot, probably being 7 years old and going into the manufacturing area, which was probably 10 times as small as what it is now, helping my father make the material. It made me want to work for Tufcot and help my family business as well as my father in what he'd started in his own garage. The team at Tufcot, from the management level to everyone who works here, is part of the Tufcot family. We want that to be portrayed to our customers. They'll get a great service and a great family feel from when they contact Tufcot to when they get their goods on time.